I'm going to review the best welding machine in the market for this year. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. At number 1, Hobart 500559 Handler. This portable welding machine is the most commonly used because of its high value. The welding machine has a power rating of 115 volts household current, although I'll recommend a 20 amp circuit. This welding machine is suitable for household works like your automobile bodyworks, your garden equipment repairs, metal statues repairs, frames and hinges, and so on. Its 5-position voltage control enables you to fine-tune your arc welding according to the thickness of the job you're working on. You won't need to call for the services of a professional welder, as the welding machine is easy to set up and use, even for those handling the welding machine for their first time. At number 2, Lincoln Electric K2-1851 Welding Machine. This welding machine is a great choice of welding machine, portable in size, light in weight, and can be used on light gauge mild steels. You can select from 4 different voltage settings and also adjust your wire feed speed during your welding process. Every accessory, including a chipping hammer brush and a welding glass, are included in its package and easy to set up except the cylinder gas that you'll have to buy separately. At number 3, Go Plus MIG 130 Welding Machine. This automatic feed welding machine offers 4 levels of welding speed, which range from min to max. It is a smart MIG gas welding machine that is made of stainless steel, heavy duty, for durability and long-lastingness. The portable and mini-sized welding machine automatically prevents oxidation by releasing metal inert gas while welding, and it is suitable for general repairs of thin metals at home, giving you a professional finish. It is equipped with 2 air vents to ensure proper ventilation in the machine and other necessary accessories.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.